Me and my friend Fetus were cruising his dad's Duramax, going like 300 miles an hour on the freeway, and flew right by this cop, and I just spit out my mouth. Makes me more mad than Ray Charles with the Where's Waldo book when I do that, I'll tell you what. But we were flying down the highway, going like 300 miles an hour, we just flew right by a state trooper, and Manita needs to stop laughing, because I'm trying to tell a story, and I hate it when he laughs like that. It makes me more frustrated than a three-legged dog trying to bury a turd in a nice lake. But like I said, we flew like 300 miles an hour past that state trooper, and the trooper just fired up them blue lights, and we're like, what the hell, the cops are on us, goddamn pigs, goddamn piglets coming after us. And my friend Fetus got all scared, and he's like, this is my dad's Duramax, I can't get pulled over in the Duramax, so we just put on the turbo on the Duramax, and we're going like 1,800 miles an hour in his dad's Duramax, and we went the ramp over the freeway, and we ended up ramping over the moon, and we were ramping over the moon, his dip fell out, so he's like, God damn it, drop my dip, boy. So we stopped at the gas station, the space station on the moon, bought some more dip, and we were looking at a clock, and we're like, good God, we're going to be late to wrestling practice. So he's like, we better get to wrestling practice. So he put the Duramax on high gear. Fetus did, this is his dad's Duramax, put it in high gear, and he's just flying down the highway, or back to Earth in the Duramax, and we got back to Earth, and we were right around the corner from wrestling, and the cop finally caught us, and we're like, God damn it. So the cop comes up, and he's like, I'm not going to pull you over because you're a damn good driver. And Fetus was like, see, I told you we weren't in trouble. Why'd you make me run down the cop? I was like, what the hell? You're the one who's all scared because it's your dad's Duramax, and you wanted to get pulled over by the cop. He's all, whatever, dude. So we were like, what the hell, wrestling practice? We're all like 5 minutes late. So he just drives up in the gymnasium, through the gym, through the hallway, in the Duramax, by the way, we're still driving the Duramax, and he just parks it right there on the wrestling mat, and the wrestling coach pulls up, and he goes, knocks on the window, and Fetus just rolls down the window and says, I'm sorry, coach, I'm going to tell you the truth. We hit a dog. We hit a dog on the way to practice, and we just couldn't let it lie there in the middle of the road and die and let everybody just look at it, all the roadkill. So me and my friend, we were going to go bury it, but when we were about to put it in the hole that we dug for the dog, the flying circus monkeys came and slipped it right out of there. Pissed us off, so we got in my dad's Duramax and we flew after him, and we couldn't catch him, so we just thought we'd come back to wrestling practice. And that's it.